Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this product has inventory but shows as sold out. I already made multiple videos about this problem specifically, but it seems like this is a new update. So I will try guys to find multiple solutions for this problem that you are having, which is this it shows as sold out, or it shows as sold out but you are sure that you still have inventory. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can do this. It's very quick and easy. The first thing, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's the first thing, and then you want to click on products. Okay, so after guys you click on products, let me show you guys what you need to do next. You want to click on the product that you have a problem with. Okay, so it says here inventory. It says here 0 in stock for 30 variants. By the way, make sure you have this problem for all markets. Now if your customers are complaining and they are from, for example, in the international market, that means you have to enable international market in order for these customers to be able to purchase your item. Now if you are shipping, for example, to local, for example, United States, and these people don't have any problem, only international market, that means you have to enable international market in your Shopify settings. Now anyway, if you already did that, I'm going to be showing you, like I said, multiple solutions for this. Now you just need to click here on the product. Okay, like I said, click on products and then click on the product title. Now after guys you click on product title, you want to scroll down. Okay, you just need to scroll down here and make sure you select all the variants here. As you can see, just select all. Okay, now after guys you select all, click on these three little dots here. Okay, and then click on edit quantities. Now as you can see, it says here choose a location where you want to edit quantities. Now if you have like multiple locations, you want to select one. Okay, so in my case I'm going to select this one. Okay, and then you want to apply a quantity to all selected variants. For example, I'm going to select 1, okay, or 2 quantities, and then click done. By the way, if it says there you cannot do that, then what you guys need to do is you want to go to one of the variants. Okay, just select one and then click on it. Okay, I'm going to click on save first. Now you want to click on it. If it's not allowing you guys to change the quantity, click on it, and then what you guys need to do, you want to scroll down, like I said, on each variant. This is if you have a product with different colors, with different sizes. If you have a product, for example, one product and it's one color, one size, then you just need to click on it and you want to scroll down and then click on track quantity. Okay, this one, as you can see, okay, it's called track quantity. Click on it, and then you want to check this one that says continue selling when out of stock. Okay, and here you want to change the quantity for one variant. Here, as you can see, for example, I'm going to change it to 3 or 22, doesn't really matter. And then after that you want to go back, and if you have like multiple variants, you don't want to select all variants and then click on these three little dots, then click on edit quantities, and then select, like I said, location, and then you want to apply here, you want to apply this for all the variants. Okay, then click select 3, for example, and then save. Now I'm going to check here if the problem is resolved, if we still have the problem or not. I'm going to click on online store. Okay, so as you can see guys, now it seems like we have the quantity. As you can see, it's changed. There is no problem that says here out of stock. Now if you still have this problem, then what you need to do guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on locations. Okay, so after guys you click on locations, you want to click on the location here. If you don't have any location, make sure you select here add location, and then you want to enter here the name and the address, and make sure you enable this button that says use inventory at this location to fulfill online orders. Make sure you check it. Okay, make sure you enable it. Okay, if you already have added a location here, then you just need to click on it. As you can see here, enter location, click on the location you already added, and after that guys you want to scroll down a little bit and enable this. As you can see, use inventory at this location to fulfill online orders. Make sure you enable it, as you can see. Okay, It says here this is your default location. To change whether you fulfill online orders from this location, select another default location. So you can add another location so that you can like switch between them if you want, for example, to if you still have like stock in this location, for example. Okay, so you can just click, like I said, you can just click on add location, and after that you want to click on one of the locations. Okay, now you will have two locations. Click on one, and then you want to enable this one that says use inventory at this location to fulfill online orders. Okay, so if you don't understand, guys, I have an Instagram. You can always contact me here, as you can see. Just contact me and I will try to solve your problem, as you can see. Okay, so hopefully this one, guys, helped you, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to as many people as possible, so let me know, guys. Let me in the comments. I will try to solve your problem. Okay, so drop a like and see you guys in the next tutorials. Thank you for watching.